A very good morning, dear students. So, today in EVS, we are in lesson number 3, My Senses. Okay, so children, we all have heard about 5 senses, that is, see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. To see, we use our eyes. To hear, we use our ears. To smell, we use our nose. To taste, we use our tongue. And to touch, we use our skin. Okay, the sense organs, they are body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. Okay, so children, last we have seen about one of the sense organ, and that is eyes. So we have seen that we have two eyes. We see with our eyes, and eyes help us to see different colors, beautiful flowers, and many other things around us. And one activity that we have seen, okay, we have seen that we are able to identify the object by touching our hands in those objects, even if our eyes are closed, but we are not able to tell the color of those objects. Now children, today with me take out lesson 3, My Senses, page 13, and today we will going to learn about one more sense organ, and that is ears. So children, how many ears do you have? Yes, we all have 2 ears. And what we do? What is the function of our ears? The main function of our ears is to hear. Okay. Now children, again one more activity regarding ears is given down, page 13. So what you have to do? You have to do this activity at home in your book only. So it says in the activity, have you ever noticed what type of sound do you like to hear and what you don't? Now in the exercise, what you have to do, you have to mark cross the sound that you don't like to hear. For example, number 1 is honking. I think nobody likes to hear the sound honking, so you will cross. Then melodious song. Yes, everybody likes to hear melodious songs. Take it. A chirping bird. Yes, chirping bird. The sound of bird. It is always soothing to our ears. You can take it. Then mother voice. Again soothing. You all love. We all love our mother. You also love your mother. So the sound of a mother is always soothing. You will take. Then the loud music. No one likes loud music. This is also called noise pollution, isn't it? You will cross. Then the sound of a conch shell. It is soothing, so you will take. So now this was all about today. So today we have learned uh, about one of the sense organ, and that is ear. Now tomorrow we'll study about other sense organ, nose. Okay children, for today this much is enough. Tomorrow again we will meet. Till then, goodbye, take care.